In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages on Dubizzle. If your inbox is getting crowded or you just want to tidy up past conversations, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a chat from your inbox, whether you're on the Dubizzle app or using the website in a browser. First, launch the Dubizzle app on your phone or open the Dubizzle website in your browser. Give it a moment to load so you're on the main screen and ready to navigate. The process is virtually the same on both, so follow along on whichever you prefer. Next, tap or click Messages. This is the section that holds all your conversations related to your listings and inquiries. On the app, you'll usually find Messages along the bottom bar. On the website, you'll find it near the top. Opening Messages takes you straight into your chat inbox. Inside your inbox, find the chat you want to remove. You can scroll through the list and look for the conversation title or the user you've been messaging. If you have a lot of activity, take a second to scan for the most recent message or the listing name to make sure you're choosing the correct thread. Now look for the pencil icon. This icon typically indicates edit or selection mode. Tap or click the pencil icon to switch your inbox into a mode where you can select conversations you want to manage. With edit mode active, select the conversation you want to delete. You should see a check mark or highlight that confirms the thread is selected. Take a moment to verify you picked the right one, since this action is about to remove it from your inbox. Once you've selected it, tap the delete or trash icon. This button usually sits along the top or bottom toolbar when you're in edit mode. It's the universal trash can symbol, and it tells Dubizzle you want to remove the chosen chat. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap yes or delete to confirm. This extra step is there to prevent accidental deletions, so only proceed if you're sure you no longer need that conversation in your inbox. After you confirm, the chat will be removed from your inbox. You'll notice it disappears from the list, giving you a cleaner, more organized view. Keep in mind, removing a chat clears it from your inbox view. Depending on platform policies, it may not erase the conversation for the other person. That's it. Launch the app or website, go to Messages, open your inbox, find the chat, hit the pencil icon, select the conversation, tap delete, and confirm. Repeat these steps for any other chats you want to tidy up. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner Dubizzle inbox.